The Lagos High Court sitting at the Tafawa Balewa Square has convicted and sentenced to death a bus rapid transit BRT driver, Andrew Ominikoron, for the murder of a 22-year-old fashion designer, Bamise Ayanwola. In a judgment that lasted over 2.5 hours, Justice Serifat Sonaike held that the prosecution, the Lagos State government, successfully provided beyond reasonable doubt that the defendant committed the offence. Although there was no eyewitness account of the incident, the court relied on a series of circumstantial evidence, the evidence of the pathologist and the dying declaration of the victim, of which the judge held pointed solely to the defendant as the last person to see her before her death on February 26, 2022. The court also convicted the defendant for the rape of a 29-year-old lady, Nneka Maryjane Ozezulu, on November 25, 2001. The court said the voice notes showed that Bamise did not consent to sexual intercourse with the defendant.
Prison authorities, or the authorities rather, to confirm to the whole world if indeed, as at the time Andrew was arrested, he has actually been in prison. Because so that it will not be like case of Bobrisky, who were later told that he was in prison. Now said that there was a rented apartment very close there, and on the day of coming to court, he will come. Because look at Kanye physically. Anyway, I'm not saying he should have shrunk anyway. But somebody who has been in prison will be putting on weight, putting on well-tailored, starched clothes. It leaves much to be desired. So all they need to tell us, yes, confirm, he has been in prison. So this 3-point demand is what we want. When these 3-point demands are met, no, it's just one demand is met, then it is then justice will be given. And like it is often said in legal parlance, that justice should not only be served, it should be seen to have been served. So we want these 3 points to be met.